Have you ever missed the perfect shot because your camera simply couldn't get close enough? You're filming a concert, capturing a beautiful sunset, or recording someone across the street. Everything looks amazing until you zoom in. Suddenly, the image falls apart, details disappear, and your footage looks soft and blurry. For years, that's been the biggest weakness of pocket-sized cameras. But now DJI is changing the game. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro has officially arrived, and it brings something creators have been asking for since the very first Pocket camera, a true optical zoom lens. And honestly, this could be the biggest upgrade in Pocket history. At first glance, the Pocket 4 Pro looks familiar. It keeps the compact body, the flip touchscreen, and the incredibly smooth 3-axis gimbal that made the series so popular. But look closer. For the first time ever, DJI has added a second camera lens. Alongside the main large sensor is a dedicated telephoto lens capable of delivering 3x optical zoom. That means you can finally get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're shooting travel videos, street photography, sports, or cinematic B-roll, this opens up creative possibilities that simply weren't possible before. And the upgrades don't stop there. DJI is reportedly pushing video performance even further with 8K recording, ultra-smooth 4K slow motion up to 240 frames per second, and an impressive dynamic range designed to preserve details in both shadows and highlights. For creators who love color grading, a new advanced color profile is expected to provide even greater flexibility during editing. Tracking performance is also getting smarter. With the latest generation of active track technology, the camera can follow subjects more accurately, making solo content creation easier than ever. Audio gets a major boost as well, with seamless support for DJI's wireless microphone ecosystem and improved multi-channel recording. And if you choose the Creator Combo, you're getting much more than just a camera. The package includes accessories designed to help you start filming immediately, including a wireless microphone, tripod, extension handle, creative lighting options, filters, and more. Of course, all of these upgrades come at a price. The Pocket 4 Pro is expected to sit above the standard Pocket 4, making it one of the most premium compact cameras DJI has ever released. So who is it for? If you're still using an older Pocket camera, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. The addition of true optical zoom transforms the Pocket series from a simple vlogging tool into a far more versatile filmmaking camera. For travel creators, vloggers, event shooters, and anyone who values portability without compromising image quality, the Pocket 4 Pro might be one of the most exciting camera releases of the year. But what do you think? Is optical zoom enough to convince you to upgrade, or are you sticking with your current setup? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more camera news, reviews, and tech updates.